the story many of us cannot forget, with an outcome that a lot of people are now stunned to hear. Ross Harris was accused of intentionally leaving his son Cooper in a hot car in Cobb County. Lil Cooper's body was discovered in June of 2014 after Harris had been at work all day. In 2016, a jury found Harris guilty of murdering Cooper, and a judge sentenced him to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Now, the Supreme Court has overturned that conviction, saying the state used irrelevant evidence to prejudice the jury against him. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes joins us live now with the details on this decision. Deidre.
Yeah, big news from the courts today, Portia. And as you'll recall, during that initial trial, defense attorneys portrayed Harris as a loving and devoted husband and father. They called Cooper's death a tragic accident, but prosecutors painted a very different picture. They introduced evidence during the trial that showed that Harris was, in fact, involved in sexual relationships, that he wanted to pursue sexual relationships with other women. And they say that is why they maintained that he killed his child. Now, the court ruled that the testimony about Harris's extramarital affairs should not have been allowed, and that because it was, Harris did not receive a fair trial. The Georgia Supreme Court overturned the murder conviction for which Harris is serving life in prison. He was also convicted of lesser charges for exchanging text messages which were sexual in nature with an underage girl. Now, he was sentenced to 12 years in prison on those charges. The Supreme Court upheld that conviction. I talked to Maddox Kilgore by phone. He was one of Harris's defense attorneys during the trial. He said that he is very happy with the Supreme Court's ruling. He praised that decision.
We're not surprised. We are not surprised at all. We fully expected the court to grant Ross Harris a new trial based on all of the errors and abuse of discretion that occurred during the trial back in 2016. It's been a long time coming, but we're not surprised.
Now, we reached out to the Cobb County DA's office for comment. They issued a written statement saying in part that they plan to file a motion for reconsideration in this case. That's the latest here in downtown Atlanta. Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
All right, Deidre, thank you for those details.